It is kennel cough season, and places like dog parks and doggy daycares can spread the common canine sickness.
Our Doug Reardon found out how easy it is to treat and also how easy it is to prevent.
When a puppy's coughing, your heart just stops and you feel so bad. You're like, oh, I don't want this to ever happen.
Unfortunately, it did happen to Nikki Abbott and her dog Finnegan.
He actually got kennel cough when we first got him.
Still a pup, but much better now. Finnegan was one of thousands of dogs each season to contract bordetella, otherwise known as kennel cough. Out at Covell Dog Park on Tuesday, Nikki admits it was a pretty scary ordeal.
So I was super worried. Our vet ended up just vaccinating him, giving him supplements.
It's very similar to a cold in humans.
Veterinarian Dr. Lynn Happel with Easttown Vet Clinic says there are actually a few different types of viruses and bacteria that can cause kennel cough, but they can vaccinate against 3 of them. And Dr. Happel says this would definitely be the year for it. They're seeing more cases than usual. If your dog does catch it, it's pretty easy to spot.
Decreased appetite, decreased activity level, lethargy, not eating.
And telltale heavy breathing.
Different than just panting, but actually like, an abdominal component to the breathing.
If it does happen, bring your dog to the vet and keep them away from other dogs for 2 weeks. With treatment like doggy cough suppressants and a vaccine, kennel cough usually goes away in about that time.
For most dogs, this is not a serious disease. Most dogs get over it on their own.
But dogs can get it more than once, so for safety's sake, be more like Nikki and Finnegan.
We're just keeping him safe, watching him, staying around, and we vaccinated him, so.
Doug Reardon, Fox 17 News.
About 5 to 10% of kennel cough cases do turn into pneumonia.